Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a language on Facebook. So you have a Facebook account that you've been using for a very long time. All your friends and families are connected to you through that Facebook account. You've created a lot of posts, you've created a lot of memorable posts in that Facebook account. But now you want to change the language to that Facebook account, but you can't figure out how you can do it. It's a very simple process. Watch the video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change a Facebook account language in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to change a Facebook account language is open a Facebook application in a mobile device. Once you open a Facebook application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the language for. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you'll land at an interface like this. From here, in order to change the language, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner. From the three bars, what you want to do is scroll down and go into settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you want to tap settings. Once you go into settings, you'll land on an interface like this. Here you'll see two sections. One is account, then other is preferences. In the preferences section, you'll see an option labeled as language and reason. Tap on that. Once you tap on the language and reason option, here you'll see all the options where you can change the language to. So to change a Facebook account language, what you want to do is choose the first option, which will be labeled as language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, here you'll see all the list of language available in Facebook. Go ahead and select the language that you want to use as your Facebook account language. Once you do that, your language will be successfully changed. So if you want to change the language to the posts that get translated in the language to, then you need to select the language you'd like to have post translated into. Tap on that. Then here also select the language that you want your post to be in. Then you'll successfully change the language there as well. So that was the simple step in order to change a Facebook account language in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.